That couch that used to feel cozy can start looking tired fast, especially when the room leans boho and the fabric's doing all the wrong things. I've seen that same problem in client homes more times than I can count. Usually, when a pretty sofa gets hit with pets, spills, and one too many sun-faded afternoons. So today, we're counting down 12 boho couch cover ideas that actually look intentional, feel lived in, and still keep the room relaxed. A few are surprisingly affordable, and one or two are smarter than they look. The crochet granny square look is cute in photos, but on a real sofa, it's usually the least practical. Those open gaps snagged on rings, pet claws, and even rough denim. I've had clients love the idea, then complain that it shifts all day and shows every cushion seam underneath. Macrame fringe brings instant personality, but it's the first thing I'd skip if the sofa gets real use. The cords catch on seat cushions and collect dust right at the hem, which means more vacuuming than most people expect. It looks best as a light accent, not the main layer. Vintage tapestry, draped over a sofa, has that collected over time feel, but the weight can be awkward. I've watched thinner arms slide right off unless you pin them or tuck them deep into the cushions. Beautiful, yes, but it works best when the pattern is doing the talking and the fit stays casual. Tasseled throw blankets are easy, which is exactly why they rank here. They photograph well and they're cheap, usually about $30 to $80, but they don't really cover much. I use them when a client wants a quick boho layer, not when the sofa needs actual visual repair. Quilted floral covers do a nice job hiding worn spots, especially on family sofas that need forgiveness. The quilting adds enough body that you don't see every cushion ridge, which is the mistake I see with thinner fabrics. The floral pattern can skew too sweet though, so I like it in faded, earthy tones. Patchwork boho covers have real charm because they break up a big sofa visually, which helps in open rooms. The catch is scale. If the patches are too tiny, the whole thing reads busy from across the room. I usually want larger blocks and heavier stitching so it feels intentional, not random. Mudcloth print is a strong middle ground because it gives you pattern without shouting. I like it on sofas that already have a lot going on, since the high contrast geometry hides everyday wear better than plain linen. Just watch the scale. Tiny prints can disappear in a large room. Natural linen is where a lot of my clients land because it looks relaxed without trying too hard. It breathes well, so the sofa doesn't feel sticky in summer. And the wrinkles actually help the boho feel. The trade-off is obvious though. Linen shows spills fast and needs a little more care. Suzani embroidery brings a richer, more finished look than most boho covers, and the stitching gives the fabric real body. I found it works especially well on darker sofas because the pattern holds its own instead of disappearing. It's pricier, sure, but it reads like a statement piece instead of a temporary fix. Moroccan kilim covers earn their spot because they're durable in a way most decorative fabrics aren't. Flat weave means less bunching, so the seat stays cleaner looking and the pattern doesn't collapse when someone sits down. I've seen them hold up better on high-traffic family sofas than softer, looser throws. Layered sectional styling is my pick when the sofa itself is oversized or awkwardly shaped. One cover rarely fits every corner cleanly, so mixing a base throw, a tucked panel, and a couple of patterned layers looks better and stays put. Honestly, this is the fix I use when the couch is too big for one fabric to behave. Kantha quilts take the top spot because they solve the biggest boho problem, making a sofa feel lived in without looking sloppy. The hand-stitched cotton has enough weight to stay in place, but it's still easy to fold and adjust. I've used them on everything from tight love seats to deep sectionals, and they just work. The best boho couch covers don't just hide wear. They add texture, color, and a little personality without making the room feel busy. If one of these ideas fits your space, give the video a like, subscribe for more practical design ideas, and visit omnihomeideas.com for more resources from Brad Smith and the Omni Home Ideas team. I'm always after rooms that feel easy to live in, not precious, and that's the sweet spot here.